Today, we're making these peanut butter squares that are so easy to make and completely no bake. It's an ideal beginner recipe that's perfect for sharing with friends because it makes so many delicious little bites. I'm sure you're going to love this easy dessert. To start, let's grab a large bowl and add 1/3 cup or 75 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature and 1 cup or 225 grams of peanut butter. I'm using natural peanut butter here, which doesn't have any hydrogenated oils, sugar, or emulsifiers, but you can use whichever peanut butter you like best. Next, add 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract and 1/3 cup or 100 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Whisk it all together until it forms a creamy mixture without any lumps. Some peanut butter bars use a huge amount of powdered sugar, sometimes even 1 or 2 cups. Here, we're only using 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, and that's enough to give our bars a delicious flavor without being too sweet. Now we're going to crush 110 grams of plain cookies without filling, which is about 1 cup of finely crushed crumbs. I'm using gluten-free cookies, but you can use your favorite kind or even graham crackers if you prefer. Add the crushed cookies into the peanut butter mixture. I suggest adding them a little at a time because depending on the cookie you use, you might not need the whole amount. Keep mixing until it forms a thick dough that doesn't crumble apart. We're going to transfer this dough into a 4 by 8 inch loaf pan or 10 by 20 centimeter pan that's already lined with parchment paper. Spread the dough into the bottom of the pan and smooth out the surface so it's a nice even layer. We'll set that aside while we make the topping. Add 1/3 cup or 55 grams of semi-sweet chocolate with about 50% cocoa solids into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons or 55 grams of sweetened condensed milk and put it in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Stir between each interval until it's melted and smooth. If you want to use chocolate with a higher cocoa percentage, like 70 or 80%, I recommend adding 1 or 2 more tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk so the fudge topping doesn't get too hard. Immediately pour this over the peanut butter base and spread it quickly while it's still hot. This mixture starts to firm up and get thicker as it cools, so spreading it immediately makes it much easier to get that smooth finish. Now we'll put this in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours or until it's firm. When it's ready, just lift it out using the parchment paper and cut it into small squares. I cut mine into 8 rows by 3, which gives us 24 little squares. You can store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. And that's it! These peanut butter bites are delicious and so simple to prepare. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy dessert recipes. See you next time!